looked at knitting needles and yarn and thought, huh? Yeah, me too. For the longest time, knitting seemed like some ancient, secret art. It looked complicated, confusing, and honestly, a bit pointless. But then, something clicked. Maybe it was a cool scarf, a friend's enthusiasm, or just the desire to create something with my own two hands. Whatever it was, I decided to dive in. And you know what? Knitting isn't as scary as it looks. In fact, it can be pretty darn awesome. This isn't just a tutorial. It's a guide to understanding why knitting never made sense before, until now. We'll break down everything, step by step, so you can ditch the confusion and start creating. First, the basics. You'll need needles, yarn, and a little patience. Needles come in different sizes. And yarn comes in different weights, from super chunky to delicate lace. The right combination depends on your project. Don't worry about getting it perfect right away. Choosing the right yarn is half the battle. Thicker yarn is great for beginners because it's easier to see the stitches. Next, let's talk about casting on. This is how you get those first stitches onto your needle. There are many ways to do it, but we'll start with a long tail cast on. It's simple and creates a nice edge. This is when the magic starts. Now, the main event, the knit stitch. This is the cornerstone of knitting. Once you learn it, you can knit entire scarves, blankets, and more. It seems daunting at first. But trust me, once you get the hang of it, it's repetitive and almost meditative. So, how does it work? You insert the right needle into the first stitch on the left needle. Wrap the yarn around the right needle, and pull the yarn through the stitch. Then, slip the old stitch off the left needle. Repeat this for every stitch on the left needle. It may feel clumsy at first, but with practice, it becomes smooth. After the knit stitch, there's the purl stitch. It's the knit stitch's slightly trickier sibling. Instead of inserting your right needle from front to back, you'll go from back to front. Wrap the yarn around the right needle, and pull the yarn through the stitch. Then, slip the old stitch off the left needle. The purl stitch creates the textured side of your knitting, so it's essential to learn. Finally, let's talk about reading your knitting. As you knit, you'll start to see patterns emerge. Stockinette stitch, garter stitch, and ribbing are the most common. Understanding these patterns will open up a whole new world of projects. Knitting is a journey, not a race. So, embrace the mistakes, celebrate the successes, and enjoy the process.